Okay, so practical machine learning. So how do we conduct machine learning experiments? This is a typical flow that we do when doing machine learning or AI. First is you understand the data. You have to perform exploratory data analysis and anything that might help before you do the actual work. Then you prepare the data, you do cleaning, feature engineering, data transformation, anything that you'll be needing for it to be modeling ready. Then you do the actual modeling, you train the model and evaluate it. Okay, so what is exploratory data analysis? It is the process of understanding the characteristics of the data and hopefully uncovering hidden patterns in it. This is often done by showing statistics and visuals. So why do we visualize? Do we really have to? What if I give you this table, this data set? It's hard to look at, right? Well, I think you would prefer if it's this one. So if you plot it, it's a dinosaur. This is a very useful example when discussing data visualization. It is quite complicated at first because there are so many features, dimensions here, but I'll try to explain. They try to compress so many things in one graph. So this is a graph that was used back in World War I, believe. And then they were trying to, no, it's much earlier than that, sorry. But basically there's a war back then, and then they're trying to understand the losses in terms of their manpower because they want to go to Russia. I forgot which well-known conqueror is this. Let's see. So as time goes by, when they go to Russia, you'll see that the number of people, this one here, this, I don't know what color this is, but a bit of brown. Anyway, so you can see that it's decreasing as they travel to Russia. The black color here is when they return. So when they are actually in Moscow, it's just a fraction of the original population of the people, of the soldiers. And it's correlated with temperature. So yep, they can handle the cold. And then of course they're gonna go back, and then at the end when they're done with their campaign, it's only this out of so many soldiers that they had initially. So there is many things in this graph. Although in some cases it is preferred that you use multiple graphs to make your point. It's really case to case, depends on what you want to do. If you're limited to just one page or one infographic, then you have to compress everything in it. But if you have more freedom, then I would suggest that you have like multiple slides to explain your point, multiple slides for graphs. But yeah, again, it's case to case. Okay, what else? This is the Anscombe's quartet. I've discussed this weeks ago, I believe. So you have different data points, but they have the same aggregate statistic. How do you choose a visualization? Well, I recommend using this website. So it helps you in determining the correct visualization for whatever you're doing. So if you have one right variable, use histogram or density plot. If you have to, just follow this flow chart, basically. They have lots of examples. Okay, how to do eBay and Python. Well, we use all this Matplotlib or Seaborn, and you could create these things easily. This is called hairplot. Yeah, it is called that. And then this is called a violent plot. Yeah, you have these things ready for you if you use Python's Matplotlib library. You could see the correlation here, so the plot, and then you could see the distribution using the violent plot. There are lots of graphs that you could use. Just follow this one, the previous link. explore different types of graphs depending on the data that you have.